Hello. If you're watching the screencast, then that means, unfortunately, that you've probably run into the issue with the 2012-2013 math spreadsheet where the EFL gains calculations are being done incorrectly. The EFL gains calculations that are being used are for the reading spreadsheet. So we need to put the correct calculations, we need to correct the spreadsheet. So there are a couple of ways to do it. The first and preferable way to do it would be to get a corrected spreadsheet and copy all of the data from your year-to-date summary pages and your Class 1, Class 2, etc. pages to the new spreadsheet, and don't mess with the formulas or anything. But that is tedious, and maybe you don't want to do that. If you feel comfortable with trying to make a change to the existing spreadsheet, then these are instructions for trying to do that. So you do want to open the corrected spreadsheet and the old spreadsheet because you need the corrected formula to copy into the old spreadsheet. Now, how do you know that you have the corrected formula here? If you click on a cell in the EFL gains column and look up here, you don't need to read this whole formula, but you can look at 368. That tells you that it's a reading formula, and this is a math spreadsheet. If you look at the new spreadsheet and you click here, you can see that it says 314. That's the math formula, and so that's correct for the spreadsheet. In order to make a change to this sheet, we need to unprotect the sheet. If I try to type right now, it won't let me. So where exactly you find the button for unprotecting the sheet can vary from version to version of Microsoft Excel. On this version, there is a button here, and you can click Unprotect Sheet there. Another way, which may be true for your version of Excel, would be to right-click on the tab for the sheet itself, and there's the option of doing it here, which is what I'm going to do now, Unprotect. So now this sheet is live and dangerous. Don't type anywhere unless you know what you're doing. Okay, so let's go to the corrected spreadsheet and copy and paste. Now we don't have to unprotect the spreadsheet, so if I click here and I try to type, it is protected, and that's okay because I can see the formulas and I can copy them. So what we want to do is select all the cells in this column, copy by either right-clicking and copying or Control-C. Can't do both. Okay, copy, and go to the new spreadsheet, click on the first cell, and we don't want to just paste. I mean, I suppose you could paste in this case, but just to be safe, I prefer Paste Special. So right-click, Paste Special, and click Formulas. So the only thing you're copying from the old spreadsheet to the new one is the formulas, which is what you want. So say OK. Done. All right, now we need to do it again for this column, this column, this column, and also page 2. Page 2 will be easier. So in this case, we can now, if you want to, all right. So now let's copy this column, Control-C, go to this column, Paste Special. Go to this column, Control-C. What? Let's try that again. Okay. Must have typed something funny. Go to this column, Paste Special, Formulas, OK. Go to this column, Control C. Go to this column, paste special, formulas, OK. All right, so now we can just do a quick check anywhere. Let's down here. I see 314, that's a good thing. Click 314. Looking up there, 314. 314, looking good. Now here, you can do the same thing, the copy and paste from here to here. You can copy the last cell, see it says 314. Copy it. Paste special formulas, OK. And then drag it to the bottom. If you look at the bottom now, you can see 314, everything's OK. Do that again, Control C, click, paste special, formula, OK. Drag it to the bottom. If you click on the one, you can see the 314, you're good. Control C, click, paste special, formulas, OK. Drag the corner to the bottom. Check, 314, good. Control C, click, paste special, formulas, OK. Almost finished. Drag it to the bottom. Check that last cell, 314, yes. Now, as you can see, that doing all that, there is room for error in that. You could be missing something. We only did a spot check. We're not doing thorough testing. It's actually better to copy the data from the original spreadsheet to the new spreadsheet. But in this case, I think we did it all okay. When we're finished, let's say Review and Protect Sheet. Okay, that's very important. Next thing would be to save it. But before saving it, you might just want to do this. Again, your buttons may vary. But under Prepare and Properties, there's version information. You might actually want to add something here that says hand edited to correct Math EFL gains issue. Just so you know, later you can check. Is this the spreadsheet that I fixed or not? Okay, that might be a really good thing to do. So all you have to do is type there and then click here, and now save as, spreadsheet, fixed, save. Do I want to? Yeah, I already fixed it. Okay, let's just call it fixed 2. Save. There we are, fixed 2, ready to go. So that's how to do the fix the technical way. And the other way, again, I can only emphasize that copying the data to a fixed and validated spreadsheet is safer in the long run. So good luck, and sorry you had to run into the problem.